camera. Hello. Hello, how are you? Nice to see you.
To make a switch, be one of them, no face losing grip. Keep your head high, eyes straight. Don't look around, don't make the change too late. There's only one chance to make a switch, be one of them, no face losing grip. Nothing left for me. I'm growing tired of this scene. Time to go to some place that I've never been. Walk away from here. All the things I feel so dear mean nothing when I'm away from you.
Only got 2 more grams to go, mister. 2 more grams to go.
Try to keep ahead, I won't be left behind. We were always first to win.
Hey everyone, happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Good Friday, everyone.
Yay, long weekend, first day of the long weekend. Woo.
Alright, so today hasn't quite gone as planned. We came here to the beach at South Bank, the little man-made fake beach, for a bit of a sunbake, get a bit of sun, and yeah, Claire just keeps getting called away. She's actually working at the moment. She's on call doing support for her work or whatever. And yeah, it's Good Friday, and she's had like 3 or 4 calls. She has to keep running away to find a little quiet spot. But anyway, hopefully we can make the best of what's left of the day.
Minutes fade away, counting down to a sharper day. Shaded eyes can see what's coming round. Take the consequence. Shelter makes no sense. Staying in one place has brought me down. I feel the ground.
Good morning. Well, good afternoon almost. It's almost lunch. We're on our way to Brivey. It's Easter weekend and we're going to spend a couple of days with Darren's family, his mum, dad, brother, sister, lots of kids. Should be fun. We're just going up for the one night though and then back tomorrow. A bit slack, well not really slack this morning, I did get up early but I've been working, we had a bit of a hardcore admin session on the wedding yesterday and I pretty much put the structure together for the ceremony and I was just finishing that off this morning so I was a bit distracted by that and I just was like, I don't want to.
And I slept in until like 9:30 or something.
You had a ridiculously long sleep.
Yeah, I slept for like nearly 10 hours or something.
Yeah, and we had like an hour and a half nap yesterday. I don't know what's wrong with us.
Sleepaholics.
We are. We love our sleep. But yeah, so it feels good. I feel like it was productive. So that's why we're only going down for one night. 2 days really, because then tomorrow, Sunday we'll do some more work and then Monday I want to do like, just hit it hard and do lots of other admin-y stuff that we need to do for the wedding, which is exciting, which is almost 100 days away I think. We're almost at that point.
Making some solid progress.
Almost in double digits. Anyway, we're just gonna go and sit in some traffic now. Bye.
Okay, so we're just going to try round 2 at this beach. We were here like 2 weeks ago and it was just pissing down rain and windy and it was horrible. But yeah, anyway, just come off to the beach. Oh, what am I saying? Forgot. But it's much nicer today, so yeah, we're just going to catch some sun, maybe a little bit of a swim and have a good time.
Your time, your place, your age. So faceless and vain. Do you remember when your imagination clean the dust upon your bottom shelf and you
Good morning! It's Easter Monday and yeah, it's the weekend that just keeps on going. It's been awesome this weekend. I feel like we've had like 3 weekends in one almost. We've done lots of different things, so it's been good. We're back in Brisbane today. This is Roma Street Parklands, which we never come even though it's down the road from us. But the, what do you call it? The mission is on. What would you say? Can't even think. The mission is on to get us on tan. Our wedding is in 100 days tomorrow. 3 months. Yay! So we're trying to top up our tan before we get to Ibiza, so we don't look like the ghosts that we currently do. And yeah, we'll probably just chill here, read our books, and then head home for some lunch, and then do some wedding work this afternoon. But we thought we'd have a nice morning. Here we are.
Okay, so we're just taking a little break. We've just been having a bit of a discussion. What have we talked about? We talked about religion, judging people and how that's not very cool. I don't know, we've been talking about some other stuff too. And now we're just talking about how the next place we're going to live. We're going to live in these apartments over here because they're a bit special. So that's where Claire wants us to live next. Next time we just got a lazy $1.5 million in our pocket or whatever, but they're pretty cool, good location. Putting the rain in rainforest.
I'm not putting that in.